Look at this fighter. No gear, no protection, no salary, no shoes. Taking on this fighter. All geared up, air, sea, and land protection, salary worth thousands of dollars, and of course, shoes. When you look at these two fighters, you'll understand who's fighting for land and who's occupying it. You'll understand who's fighting for freedom and who is oppressing it, who is liberated and who is indoctrinated. This is a freedom fighter. His hierarchy of fight is like nothing we've ever seen. At the bottom of the pyramid is his freedom. In the middle is righteousness. On top is God. Him and the Ghazians sacrifice with grace. They sacrifice every single thing they love for an even greater love. Land and country. Palestinian flag flying over Palestine and all under God. Gaza, the glory and impossible victory made possible. Visualize with me the greatest military and economic powers on earth 8 months later, not able to defeat a barefoot fighter. In fact, that barefoot fighter is defeating them. Salam.